I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put money in MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet and ensure you're connected to the correct network, like Ethereum mainnet. You'll see your wallet address at the top. This is where you'll send your funds. There are two main ways to get crypto into your wallet: transferring from an exchange or buying directly. The most common method is transferring from a crypto exchange. Log into your exchange account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to send, for example, Ether. Carefully copy your MetaMask wallet address, which starts with 0x, and paste it into the exchange's recipient address field. Double-check the network, then confirm the transaction. Another convenient option is to buy crypto directly within MetaMask using fiat currency. Click the Buy button in your wallet. You'll be presented with several third-party providers like Transact or MoonPay. Select your preferred provider, enter the amount you want to spend, and choose your payment method, such as a debit card. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase securely. When funding your MetaMask, always double-check the network and the wallet address. Sending funds to the wrong network or address can result in permanent loss. Be mindful of transaction fees, which can fluctuate. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone and store it offline in a safe place. Stay secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.